Hey there, gorgeous. Welcome back to our channel where we're all about embracing just how fabulous you are. Today, we're answering the question that we get a lot about reviving the hair toppers. So for maximum beauty and benefit, we want to keep the crowns fresh and maintained. Let's get into it. Human hair toppers can be shampooed and conditioned just like your natural hair. But before we get into the shampoo, we want to be able to work up a good lather. So we'll want to start by rinsing away any excess dirt or residue and product buildup in the hair. I like using lukewarm to cool water on the hair. That's just my preference. If you like using warmer water, by all means, feel free to do so. I love using this Aussie brand Miracle Moisture line on my hair extensions. It has a fresh scent and it leaves the hair soft, clean, and it adds a little bit of sheen at the end as well. Just a dime-sized amount goes a long way. You can squeeze it onto your hand and then gently work the shampoo through the hair extensions. You just want to run the product throughout the hair using a gentle scrubbing motion. Try not to scrub it too roughly. This may cause the hair to tangle. We don't want it to become matted or anything like that. So just running your fingers through the hair in the direction of the hair extensions is all you'll need. So you want to be sure to also clean the underside of the unit as well, and that's going to help remove any oil, dirt, any buildup from that's transferred from your scalp onto the hair unit. So you can just flip it over, just kind of gently run the shampoo or the shampoo through the bottom of the unit as well. So after adding the shampoo, you want to go ahead and rinse the shampoo thoroughly to make sure that all the soap and buildup is gone. And if you need to repeat this, if you've not shampooed your unit in a while, you may want to repeat the shampoo step one more time just to make sure that all of the excess dirt, oils, and the shampoo has been removed. We're going to squeeze all the excess water from the unit. It's just like you see, I'm just wringing out all the excess water. So next we want to go ahead and we want to add our conditioner. Again, just a small amount is all that you need. And we're going to just take that and rub it together in our hands and just gently run it through the hair. We're just going to run it through just like we did our shampoo. You want to make sure that that conditioner goes through the entire hair strand. You want to gently just run that conditioner through the hair extensions, just using your hands to make sure that you get the conditioner throughout. So next we'll take our wide tooth comb and we're going to comb the conditioner through. So I like to comb the conditioner through because although we have, made sure that we've reached the end of the hair strand with the product, we want to make sure that that conditioner goes through all of the hair on the hair unit. So I like to use a wide tooth comb because I don't want to snag the hair and start to see hair strands shed and come out. So I like using a wider tooth comb for this part of the process. So we're just going to gently comb it through just to make sure that that product is spread as far as possible. And no need to apply it on the underside because there's no hair on the bottom. So just making sure that we get that conditioner all throughout the unit. The bottom is clean. And so now we can proceed to rinsing the conditioner out of the unit. And again, just like our shampoo, we want to make sure that we saturate the unit and get all of that product out of the hair, because if you leave any excess product in the hair unit, it's going to impact the styling of the unit. So you just want to make sure that you rinse it thoroughly, removing all product from the hair. So I like to make sure that I give it an extra couple seconds under the water just to make sure that we get all of the conditioner from the hair. So then we're going to go ahead and get rid of the excess water from the unit. Just squeeze that out, not too harshly, just gently squeeze all the excess water out, and you can see that our unit is nicely rinsed and all of the conditioner has been removed. Next, we're going to use the Aussie Detangling Leave-In Conditioner Spray, and I like to just mist it all throughout the hair. You don't have to oversaturate it. Just a little bit goes a long way. when it comes to our hair extensions. And I'm going to comb it through. So this is the part where we are going to mold the hair into the style that we want to wear it. So I plan to let this unit air dry. So I want to just comb the detangling leave-in conditioning spray through, and I want to comb it in the style or the pattern that I'm going to wear it. So for this, you may use a small tooth comb. The small tooth comb will ensure that you're able to grab all of those hairs and there won't be any tangles or any matting as the hair is drying flat. And you get better results air drying versus blow drying the units. There'll be less work in trying to tame the hair when it's time to style it if you air dry. So you want to go ahead and just go ahead and mold it in the style. It's really simple and quick. It doesn't take a lot of time, and depending on the density of the hair will kind of determine how long it takes for the unit to dry. So if you're going to wear it the next day, I would recommend shampooing it at night or early in the evening. That way you give it plenty of time to dry by morning before you style it. So our unit is all combed out and molded and ready to dry. And so here we have the freshly shampooed, conditioned, molded unit. It's dry and it is ready. So now that our unit is ready, I'm going to get ready. I'm going to do my makeup really quickly. Now, I am not a makeup artist, but I do know how to jazz myself up and look presentable. And I always go for a natural look. So I always go for a natural look because I'm not well versed in the makeup. I do not try to overdo it and try all these different looks. I'm going to go just for something natural. I just want to enhance and not completely transform. So just gonna do just enough just to get myself ready so that I can show you the complete finished look of cleaning, reviving, styling, and installing our hair unit. So now that I'm all done, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into our install. So my hair has been molded flat, which is how I typically wear my hair with the hair units. So my hair is short and natural, and so wearing it flat works better for me. So I have my unit here, and I'm going to just go ahead and pop those clips open on the bottom. These are our wig clips, and you simply want to just go around and open all of the clips. It makes it so easy to install with those wig clips. Once you have placed the unit on your hair exactly where you plan to wear it in the style that you have molded your unit, you just want to go around the unit again and close the clips around your hair. So you're simply just sliding those clips underneath your hair, whether it's braided or whether it's just molded down. You can slide them underneath the hair and close the clips, and they are very stable. If you've been following me or you know anything about me, then you know that this red is my color. It is my most favorite hair color, and anytime I get a chance or an opportunity to wear this red, I love to wear this color. I typically don't add product to my hair units while wearing them. I just don't like how the oils makes the hair look and feel heavy. From time to time, I may use a light sheen spray to the finished look, but normally I just add heat and go. That's why I like using the Aussie Moisture Miracle product, because it leaves the hair with a light sheen on it. Therefore, when you start applying heat, you don't have to add oils and sprays and things like that to get the hair to look presentable or to look lively. With your hair extensions, we want to look as natural as possible. So we don't want a lot of shine, but you do want the hair to look, vital. So the Aussie Moisture Miracle brand is very good for that. So, and then as you notice, I didn't have to prep my natural hair at all. I just molded it down and go. But you can braid your hair down if you need that extra security when wearing the wig clips. It's so easy to wear and maintain the 60-second clip and go hair toppers. Again, they are available on my website at www.stylesontopbeauty.com. And all styles, or most of the styles, are human hair, made from human hair, and you will be able to use heat. You will be able to shampoo them. You will be able to style them just as you would your natural hair. And so there's a variety of styles to choose from on the site. Some of them come in different colors, different lengths, different densities, and you can check all of that out, the entire collection, at www.stylesontopbeauty.com. The irons I'm using are ceramic irons, and for me, I feel like ceramic irons work best on hair extensions because the heat is so even. It doesn't overheat, it doesn't cinch the hair, and so that's why I like using ceramic irons. And if you are not familiar with ceramic irons, most of the ceramics are gold plated irons, and so I have had this iron for years. I love using it on my hair extensions because in combination with hair product, sometimes the heat can, with regular flat irons, they can kind of burn the extensions, and then the hair doesn't perform as well. But with the ceramics, you have that even balance of heat, and even if you use hair products on it, it does not give it that singed or cooked look, how as I would like to say. It gives you that even balance, and you can maintain your hair extensions for a longer period of time. So I pretty much finished. Very easy style to maintain. You just clip it in place and go. After you've shampooed and revitalized your hair unit, we're all done. And so I hope you enjoyed this video. I do appreciate you watching, and be sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this. Talk to you soon.